Hi guys, this is me, Marseille Go, and we are going to be doing these two math books.
Well, one is a math book, right?
Yep.
And the other is for writing.
Yep, this one.
Okay, so we're going to start with this book today.
Yeah, let me just eat. Wait, I forgot what I was going to do. Right there. So I don't like this card. Okay,
So let's read it. It says fractional parts.
Yeah.
Do you want to read or do you want me to read?
You read.
In Unit A, we work with unit fractions such as 1/2, 1/3, and 1/4. Today, we started to explore fractions in which the number above the fraction bar is more than 1, such as 2/3, 3/4, and 5/6. If your child is having trouble with some of the problems on this page, you might mention that 1/2 means that 1 out of 2 parts is shaded. That 3/6 means that 3 out of 6 parts are shaded, and so on. Or you might ask your child to explain the fraction to you in this way. Please return this home link to school tomorrow. We're not going to school tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you read this sentence right here, Marseille, that says mark. You see that top line above number 1 where it says mark?
Oh, yes.
Read this.
Mark the fraction that tells what the part circle of the circle is shaded.
Good job. So we're going to tell what part of the fraction tells what is shaded. So which one of these tells what part is shaded in this fraction? So how many parts are there in the fraction? Let's count. 1.
And
keep counting.
2. 3, 4, 5.
Yes, there's 5 parts to the fraction. So how many parts are shaded?
1.
Okay, so it's 1/5. So which one of these fractions demonstrates 1/5? Let's circle it. Circle the one that says 1/5, 1/5. Good job. That's the answer.
Yep.
1/5. So let's move on to number 2. How many parts are there to this fraction? How many parts are there?
3.
Correct. Yes, there's 3. So how many parts are shaded?
2.
Yes. So which one of these numbers represent 2 parts of the 3 being shaded? 2/3 is what we would say. Which one? Which one? The top one or the bottom? Which one are you pointing at?
This one, the 2 and 3.
Yes. Circle it.
There.
Good job.
It looks like a door.
So now we're on to number 3. How many parts are there to this fraction? Let's count. You want to count together or you want to just count?
I just want to count.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6.
Yes, there's 6 parts to this fraction. So how many parts are shaded?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job. So which one of these fractions represents 5/6 of a fraction? 5 of the 6 parts shaded. Which one of those? 5, 6.
5, 6. Let me see. Okay, I don't know.
You don't know? So which one has 5/6? So 5
And 6.
5 parts shaded and there's 6 parts. So you want to find one that says 5, 6. 5 over 6. Which one says 5 over 6?
This one?
Nope. That says 6 over 5.
Oh, okay. So
That's right. Just circle it.
okay. Let's make it like a door again.
Great job. So now you put a little doorknob on there.
No way, I need to make it gooder.
Gooder. Okay, so now they want you for number 4, number 5, and number 6. They want you to do the shading.
Oh.
So now they want you to show a representation of 4 parts of the fraction being shaded. So you need to shade in 4 of the parts.
Okay. So anyone that I get the shade?
Well, you need to just do 4 and make sure they're next to each other.
Like this?
Mm-hmm. So you did 1. Now you're working on 2.
Now 3.
Yes.
Now this is the last one.
You are right. So that represents 4, 6. Okay, so now let's move on to number 5, which they want you to do 3 of the parts of the fraction being shaded in. So shade in 3 of the 4.
So it's like this one?
Yep, just do 3 of them.
Okay. Oh, sorry.
Or I should be asking you, how many are you supposed to color in?
No, you just said that.
I already gave you the answer.
Yep. 3. Which one should I do? This one.
Okay. Great job. Looking good. Okay, so for the final one, number 6.
Okay.
How many parts do you shade in?
5.
Yes.
That's so much. It does not have to be perfect.
No, you are right. It does not have to be perfect, but
yeah,
you do need to make sure that your work is nice and neat so that you don't make any unnecessary mistakes. So
yeah, I'm trying to make it good because I want it to
looks great. So okay, so how many do you have so far?
4.
Good job. So how many more you need to do?
1.
Okay. Nice job. So do you know what this says? This fraction? You would say 5/8 because there's 8 parts to the fraction and 5 are colored in or shaded in. So we're done with this page. What do you think? You want to keep going?
Yeah.
All right. So we're going to move on to the next book and do one more page? Okay.
Hi guys. We're going to be doing this book now, manual script writing.
Okay, so
No, I actually want this.
So what letter are you gonna do?
E first. E. It's not working. Oops. I don't really know. How to do
Yeah, just take your time.
it. It just looks like a monster that's growling.
It looks like a monster that's growling. Let me see.
Or it just looks like a doorway. Why? I just like doing it fast.
Do you think you're doing your best work when you go fast?
Some people can do it like it's very fast to be done.
I know, but remember, we want to make sure our work is nice and neat so that people can read what we're doing and don't get it confused with something else, you know?
Okay.
You are just so speedy. Look at you. See, look at this E right here. I think you can write better if you went slower.
Yeah, just like, I like doing it fast.
Okay, let's see how fast you can do and it still be neat.
That's good.
It's okay.
Now the E's, these kind, I really don't
Oh,
know.
okay, you're going to do some lowercase E's. That's a good idea.
That's really hard to do.
Oh.
That's really hard to do.
Okay.
Tracing them is so hard.
Let's see how you do without tracing. Now, is that E too big?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, that's good. Oh. Oh.
Oh my god!
Take your time, lady.
Here. Oops.
Oh, man. Oh, what's going on here?
My God.
Okay, wait. Go down here and please try to do better because those E's went from great to, oh, no. Take your time, please. That's a great one. Space it. Make sure you got your spacing. Nice. Okay.
Oops.
Oh. Look at that one. Fix it. Yay. Okay. So now, are you going to write these sentences?
Oh my god!
Uh-oh. That's okay. Let's move on. So, let's read this right here. It says, Marseille, read this part.
What is the biggest ant?
A red ant or an elephant? It's supposed to be a joke, but which one is bigger? Which ant? Which one is bigger?
An elephant.
An elephant?
Yep.
Okay, are you going to write it?
Yep.
Okay.
What, this one is strong though. That's strong.
It is. It is pretty strong to be holding up an elephant.
Yeah, an elephant is like so.
Come on. Let's go.
I forgot how to spell it.
So spell what? It's right there on the page.
A-N-L-P-H.
Whoa, look how small that H is.
Yeah,
A.
T.
Okay. That's all right. I mean, you know, let me show you something. So, remember when I told you when you're writing, say, look at this. This T is a little too small. It should be like this.
Sorry. It's just...
Look how horrible I wrote that.
That's very terrible.
That's pretty bad.
That's terrible.
That's okay. So we're going to go ahead. So we're going to end this and say bye to our friends. You're going to thank them for joining you on your channel?
Yeah, and also, if you forgot, to like and subscribe, do it now. If you're on a phone, turn it over, and if you're on a tablet, turn it over. And then if you're on a computer, just X out and then press the subscribe button and like. Also that bell, and share with your friends and family, everybody that you know. But if you don't, it's okay.
Okay.
Bye.